I'm showing the procedure to do the factory reset of your device, because there's an issue with the new version. The issue is with the version 101. If you try to go to the website minearsilence.com and connect, and you connect with your device, if you have the version of the firmware 101, the website will ask you to update to the version 102. The issue is that the version 101 doesn't update. There's an issue that avoid that version works for updates, so you still get the error. The good news is that it's very easy to reset your device to the version 100. So let's do this. Click no, then open up your device from here. You will search for the 2-pin here on the bottom left, on the bottom right from the connector side. You have to connect the second and the third. Mainly there's written GND and D15. You can use a tip of a pen like this, and pay attention to connect the second and the third, not the first and the second, because you may harm your device. So you will have to check the screenshot attached to this video. So connect the second and the third like this, and click the N button here. The device will restart, and after 5 seconds the blue light turn on, and you will receive the message with the updated version. So you have done the factory reset here, and you have the version 100. So you can do OK to update from 100 to 102, and this time it will work. Just wait until the end. I will pause the video. Okay, we're almost there. And here we go. The device is updated. It is restarting. And now we have the right version. There's another way to reset the device, which is which doesn't work with the 101, but it will work from the 102 and so on. So you have to reset with the N button and click the other button. Now the device will reset to the 101 again. And probably I have to click again this to restart the device. And here we are. So again, this is just an issue for the version 101, and from the 102 and on, you probably don't have to reset again your device, and the new update will be available easily.